Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today it is viewers request. I'm going to explain you how Straddle actually works. Okay, we'll have price action as well as the Straddle comparison, and I will tell you how to calculate the Straddle profit and loss every day. And there's going to be some useful tips as well. We'll take from Nifty. Okay, I'm going to take here is 15 minutes time frame, which is very good for sellers to understand the market range. Okay, so let me just cover the basics first. So this is trading tech website, and under the strategy section you will have four options. One will be the straddle snapshot. Okay, here all the strike prices, this is the historical date, this is live data. Here you can increase either 5 or 10, any one, and this is the expiry, and this is the symbol, whether it is Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all the 200 stocks which is only listed in the futures. Okay, which has futures facility. Okay, not all the stocks will have futures facility. Okay, we'll check that in a minute. Okay, I am going to pick red color. So yeah, so we'll start. So this is basically 27th, sorry, 27th. Here you could see, and this is the range, this is the low, this is the high. So first half it was trending, and the second half it was range bound sideways. Okay, here also you see, first half trending it was falling, and then it just went more range bound fall. Okay, now let's understand the deep studies. Okay, so here today the range open you could see here is 550. Okay, so 550 you could see when you increase the count. Okay, you just include the count, 10 strikes. So 550 is here, the green line. You can unselect everything and come to 550. Okay, so each you can check whichever strike you like. I'm taking 550 because that is the open here, open 550, and I'm taking the 550 strike. Now you see the open, I'm taking the general number. You can actually take the actual as well. So I'm taking here 320 as the average open. Okay, and then here you see almost 300 as the average close. Okay, so now how to calculate the profit? So it is 320, that is open, minus 300, that is the close. Okay, which will be equal to 20 points. That is negative, right? So it is going downwards, that is the decay. Okay, now Nifty, what is the one lot size? So I am going to tell you for one lot Nifty is 75. Okay, so it differs. The lot size for Bank Nifty is 30, Reliance is 500, HDFC is 550, ICICI is 700. So it is variable. Now here how to calculate your profit. So I am telling you the profit. So everyday profit today it is 20 DK times one lot size, that is 75. So this is going to be your profit amount. Exactly same way we are going to calculate for everything. I am showing you this in very detail. So let's take an example of Bank Nifty here. So I am going to check only for open price. Okay, we will go to Bank Nifty here. So you see Bank Nifty open is 57,200, exactly selected here. So again you see what happened, price action. First half it was trending, so here is the 12, and the second half it almost went into the range bound. Okay, so this factor also it reflects here. So 57,200 you see. So open we will take 820, this as the open. As an average I am taking, you can check the exact number. Here I am taking close as 1800. So open was 1820, close was 1800. Since it is Friday, the decay will be very less because of the delta value. You have to understand delta, gamma, theta, everything to calculate the profit as well. Friday the decay will be very less. This is the observation I have done. And on Wednesdays the decay will be very fast. The closer the expiry, the decay will be so fast. Okay, now let's just clear it. And now let's take this open and close. So open was 820 minus close was 800. So obviously 20 points is your decay. Now what is the lot size for Bank Nifty? I told you, right? 30. Now they are going to change for 35. Let's see. So the answer is 600. So for one lot, 600 is your profit. So for 10 lots, it will be 6k, and for 100 lots it will be 60k for just Friday. This is only for 1 day calculation. Okay, this is for Bank Nifty. I showed you the calculation. Now let's analyze the other one, the Reliance, my favorite stock, my all-time favorite. Okay, we'll go and check the Reliance. So these things normally all the sellers will know, right? So that's why I don't mostly cover these topics. I just skip them and I just tell them whether the straddle was profitable or loss. Always remember, the straddle can go negative also. That means the sellers can face loss also. Okay, so this is Reliance, and then you see this was the high and this is the low. Okay, now let's check the open. So when you point the cursor here on 27th, see here 9:15 June 27, the open will be flashed here 1490. Even though 97, you have to only take the 10 counts. That's why I'm going to take 90 here. So here is the 90. 1490. So I'm going to select that one. Before that, let's see the price action. Again, first half it was trending. Second half, this was simply sideways or profit booking. Okay, all who all have done the buying, they would profit book after this candle. See here, because this was the support break here. So this was actually the profit booking of these buyers who ever done the buying. Okay, whenever they do profit booking, prices will go down. Now we'll select one. Sorry, what was the open? Yeah, 97. So I will take 1490. For each and everything you can check. By checking this day, you can understand how decay works. So open is 68. Now close is 66. So what is open? 68 minus 66 is the close. This is open. So how much will be our decay? That is 2 points, right? 2 points is our decay. What will be one lot size for Reliance? That is 500. So previously it was 250. Now they have changed to 500. So now the profit calculation is one lot 500 times how much is the decay? 2. So that is 1k is our profit. For 2 lots it will be 2k. 3 lots it will be 3k. That's how you have to calculate for Reliance. Now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is the HDFC Bank range, and we'll go and check for HDFC. So these are the stocks for which you can check. I'm just randomly checking for these stocks because these are my favorite stocks. Okay, so HDFC open is 90 again. So HDFC has more counts. So you could clearly see here. It is indeed counts of 20. So 1980, then it will be 2000, it will be 2020, like that it will go. Okay, for Reliance it's not the case. Here this is the open, this is the close. First half was trending and then it was the sideways phase. The same you can observe here. Also you should remember, these are having monthly expiries. All the stocks will be having monthly expiries. So when you take the calendar, first 15 days the decay will be very, very slow. That decay depends upon the delta or the theta. The last 15 days the decay will be very, very fast, and that also depends upon the delta value. Okay, that you have to understand by taking notes. For at least 6 months you do the straddle, you will understand the concept. Okay, so 91 was the open and close was 87. So let's do the calculation. 91 minus 87. So it is 4 points decay. One lot for HDFC Bank is 550. So 550 times 4 is the profit for one lot. Okay, now I'll move to ICICI Bank because the video is getting too long. Okay, so generally if I make very big videos, right, with details, nobody is ready to watch. That's why I just brush through what happened in everyday's market. I'm happy to when people ask, I would explain them in very much detail. So ICICI 1430, so we have to 38, right? So I will take 30. So this was rather I will take 38, right? So 40 is close. Whichever is closed, you can take that. So this is a clear uptrend. So we are facing loss here. I'll teach you how. This is 59 open and I close with 61. So this is the minus decay because the market was trending from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Here 59, that is open, minus 61, that is closed. That means the loss decay will be 2 points, minus 2 points. What is the lot size for ICICI is 700 for one lot. Okay, so 700 times minus 2 gives you the loss of the day. That is, for one lot it will be 1400 loss. Also remember, selling one lot straddle in ICICI Bank at least requires 1 to 3 lakhs. And think, if you have to do 10 lots, it will be 30 lakhs something. Okay, so this is the straddle, guys. So thank you for watching my channel. Keep supporting.